Hello everyone, my name is Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys 6 legit ways to make money as a teenager. Well, honestly, this is sort of a guide for people of all ages. Doesn't matter where you start, and all the methods I'll be showing you guys can yield you thousands of dollars, but you'll have to put in the time and effort necessary in order for that to happen. Method 1, garage sailing. You'll need a way of transportation, a phone, and some money. I'd recommend at least $100, but whatever you have is gonna work. You could start with 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever, as long as you go to a garage sale, find something worth it, and just pick it up. So a quick description of garage sailing. What you'll be doing is you'll be going garage sale to garage sale, looking at everyone's items that they have for sale. You'll be trying to negotiate with them to try to get the best price. But before doing that, you'll be looking up every item on your phone using eBay. You'll be trying to find items that list for a lot more than what the people at the garage sale are selling them for. Once you buy them, you'll be able to sell them on eBay, or you could just sell them locally if you find a buyer. Method 2, Revver.com. You'll need a computer, you'll need to be fluent in English, and you could be multilingual or bilingual, as there's also an option to translate text. From home, you'll be able to transcribe as many videos as you want. Basically, all you'll be doing is writing the subtitles for videos. There's no requirement to how many videos you have to make. So if you just want to take a quick break for a week or two, there's no problem doing that. It won't affect your rating or anything of that sort. Basically, all you really do is write the subtitles for what's being said in the videos. You assign a speaker to everything that's being said, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, there's a few rules that they put in place, and they ask you to do a test before giving you the chance to actually work. You'll get better over time, you'll get faster over time. If you get accepted, they'll want you to maintain a good average, and then once you do that, you'll be able to access jobs that you weren't able to before. Method 3, food delivery apps like UberEats, SkipTheDishes, Doordash, and many others. All you'll need for this one is a car and a phone. So like most of you know, in quarantine, a lot of people are spending money on food and they don't want to go out. So this is a great opportunity for you to start in this business. If you enjoy driving, you'll be able to just listen to music, pick up food, drop it off, and collect your tips. This is a business that I'd love to get into, but I don't have a car. People will most likely be giving bigger tips because they don't want to go out themselves. Method 4, YouTube compilation videos, otherwise known as a YouTube cash cow. All you'll need for this one is a computer, an editing software of some sort, and you'll need to know what niche you want to get into, whether it's gaming, funny videos, TikToks, it's up to you. So the average CPM is around $7 on YouTube. So if you were to post a video that gets 1 million views, you can make $700 from that video. Also, making these 20 to 30 minute compilations won't take you very long, since you'll be finding them on TikTok. While you're just spending your time on YouTube, you can just save a clip, or on TikTok, you can just save the TikToks. So it'll be easy to just rack up those videos. To be fair, this might take a few months or even years for you to have a good channel set up, but once it'll be set up well, it'll be well worth it. You'll be able to hire someone if you don't want to do the work anymore, and they could take care of the channel for you. You'll be able to keep making money without thinking about it. Method 5, Dropservicing. You'll need a computer and money, which is still optional, but I would really recommend it. What's so amazing about this business is that you don't have to invest any money up front if you don't want to. Personally, I would, in order to run ads and have a good website, but that's completely your choice. To explain the business, just think of yourself as a middleman. You'll be providing a service that people want, and then once the people buy it, you'll be going on Fiverr, Upwork, and getting someone else to do it for you. You keep the profit, and that's the done deal. Method 6, dropshipping. Again, you'll need a computer, and money is again optional with this method. This business model is very similar to Dropservicing, but instead of selling services, you'll be selling products. Again, it is possible to be successful without spending any money up front. I already posted a video on this, but you can do eBay dropshipping. So you don't have to run ads on your website. All you have to do is just list the items, which is all free. Another way that people like to dropship is by creating a whole website, finding a product, and running ads for it. You source that product from China or a warehouse in the States, anywhere you live, but the goal here is to find a product that's cheap enough to make good margins for you. Obviously, I made it sound quite simple, but this is one of the best businesses you could be doing right now, because e-commerce won't be going away anytime soon, and if you start a white label company, you'll be able to make it your own, and from there you can make even more money. At the end of the day, trading your time for money won't bring in as much money. For example, the food delivery apps are going to take your time out of the day. Doing Rev is going to take a few hours, but those are great ways to get started. If you have no money at all to get into the businesses, you can start doing those and invest that money into your business. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next week. I post every Monday, so it would mean the world to me if you guys turned on post notifications to not miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.